Hello, good children. Good morning, everybody. Yes. What is the date today? Okay, the date today is 29th of April 2020. Good. Do we remember what we are dealing with in English? Is there anybody who can tell now? I hope we all know. Who can tell us what we are learning about this week? And remember, today is our last topic on the use of a and an. Okay. Yesterday we looked at a and an. We did some work, of which I'm sure each and everybody has finished. And now it's time for us to do what? To do the marking. Group A, are we ready? Put up your arms and I see. Good. We had this list here and we were told to use a or an. Number 1, we had 2 cards on side A and 1 card on side B, and we were supposed to either put a or an. So if you have a card on number 1, tick yourself. Number 2, if you have an umbrella, tick yourself. Good. Number 3, if you have a box, mark. And lastly, if you have an apple, you also mark. That's lovely. How many have passed everything? Good. How many have failed some of the numbers? You can make corrections. Then groups B and C. This was our work. Quickly. Answer for number 1, a cup. Number 2, a dog. Number 3, a child. Are we marking? Are we steady enough? Next, an ant. Next, a flower. Next, a man. Then, a box. Then, an elephant. Then, an apple. And lastly, a cup. If you have passed everything, count, write the marks down, and write very good. Those of us who have failed some numbers, please write corrections. Today, we are doing the last part of this topic, the use of a and an. Is there anyone who has some questions? Is there anywhere you didn't understand very well? You'll come to me, you ask me, and I help you out. Even those who are at home, please ask your parents, ask your brothers and sisters to help you where you didn't understand. So today, we are not going to do a lot, but we are going to do a test. And this test is for all of us, whether group A, whether group B or C. We are going to do the same test. Because even at the end of the day, when the exams come, they will cater for all of us. Is that right? Good. So we shall all have to do one paper. But before we begin, can we share the success criteria? Good. Let's read together. I can remember the rule for a and an. I can remember the rule for a and an. Before we continue, what is that rule? What is the rule while using a and an? Good. We use an when we are considering the first letter as a vowel letter on a noun. And when the noun is a singular, countable noun. Then we use a on nouns that are beginning with consonant letters. And they also have to be singular countable nouns. Good. Another success criteria, I can write a and an in the gaps. Good. Now, get ready. It's a test. You want to see the winner now. This is a test for everyone. Sit properly, sit upright, get your pencil. And then we begin. What does the instruction say? Write a or an in the gaps. Number 1, let's read together so that everybody can be able to pass. There is dash flour on the table. Remember to begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Okay? Number 2, show me dash elephant. Number 3, it is Number 3, his father is dash teacher. Number 4, Anne wants to buy dash ruler. Number 5, this is dash O. Number 6, this is dash big house. Number 7, can you draw dash arrow? Number 8, do you like dash apple? Number 9, Miss Jane is dash nice teacher. Remember, we are either using a or an to fill in the gaps. Thank you very much for being there until we finished this topic. Thank you for being very good children and very good listeners. Remember to stay at home, avoid visiting people's homes, always wash your hands, and stay safe. See you next week.